Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to justify align text in Adobe InDesign. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Adobe InDesign software. Then open your document or create your document. Now you can see here are my document with some text. Now I justify align text in this document. At first, I have to select this text. Then go to properties option. Now you can see here are paragraph option. Now find your justify text. Now you can see here are the justify with last in align left. Now I can use this one, or you can also use justify last one center right. You can whatever you can want. Now I choose this one. Now click outside of this text box. Now you can see I justify align text in Adobe InDesign very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.